S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. This could be huge for Parker-Hannifin. The aerospace giant just posted 19% organic growth in their aerospace division and raised guidance to 12% growth for the year. With a massive $7.3 billion backlog and trading at $712, PH might be one of the most undervalued industrial stocks right now. First, their transformation is incredible through their win strategy. They have expanded operating margins by 630 basis points over 5 years. That's over 6% margin improvement. They went from a cyclical industrial company to having 30% aerospace exposure through that massive $6.3 billion Meggitt acquisition. The numbers are staggering. They are generating $3 billion in free cash flow annually with a 15% margin. And management just raised their 2029 targets. They are projecting 27% operating margins and potentially $45. Earnings per share by 2029, that's more than double current levels. Here is what gets me excited. They have over $20 billion in deployable capital through 2029. That's massive acquisition power, and they just proved their execution with the $1 billion Curtis acquisition, positioning them perfectly for the electric vehicle transition. Wall Street is taking notice. 16 out of 17 analysts rate this a strong buy with price targets averaging $740. That's 4% upside conservatively. Some targets go as high as $842, which would be 18% upside from current levels. And they are a dividend aristocrat. 67 consecutive years of dividend increases while sitting on essential products that are literally on every major aircraft platform globally. This gives them incredible pricing power and recurring aftermarket revenue. Now, full transparency, there is one major concern here. 70% of their revenue is still tied to industrial markets, and we are seeing weakness. North American industrial sales dropped 3%, with overall industrial guidance at just 1%. Growth for 2025, if we hit a prolonged industrial recession while aerospace demand softens, this stock could face serious headwinds despite the transformation. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Parker-Hannifin at these levels? For my complete breakdown with all the financial details and risk analysis, check out the pinned comment.